Probably one of the easiest things to make and one of my favorites to eat. This is banana bread. Let's get it. Just starting out with some flour, baking powder, and a touch of salt. Oh shit. Sorry, I'm kind of known for having butterfingers. We're gonna need 2 cups of mashed bananas. So I'm using 6 whole bananas. Cream together our butter and sugar. And we'll crack some eggs into this bad boy. I'm putting a little bit of vanilla paste. Usually banana bread doesn't have any, but I just like to put some. That sound was kind of gross. For buttering your pan, you can use a brush, but honestly I just like to use my hands. I'm making a bit of a trench here by pushing the batter from the middle to the sides of the pan. And this is where we'll put our softened butter, which will help our cake swell when it bakes. Oh, I almost dropped it, but we're good. We're good. And this is gonna go into the oven for 350, about 1 hour. I'm gonna do a take on Bananas Foster using the banana bread as a base. So we're gonna slice this up and then cut up some bananas too. Starting off with our sauce, we're gonna make a caramel. Add some butter. Just add in our bananas for a couple of seconds and then flambe with rum. The torch was probably overkill, but I don't have any matches and I hate using small lighters, so that's what we're going with. So to assemble the banana bread, a bit of ice cream, and top it off with the bananas and sauce all over me. Oh, I meant sauce over the ice cream. Yeah, that's what I meant. Now I'm gonna go eat it.